You want details. Fine. It's a 996 all-wheel drive twin turbo, 650 wheel horsepower, Brembo brakes, K24 turbos. Little underwhelming, isn't it? Though the numbers are fantastic, we often search for something more in a car. We forget all about the safety, the airbags, the fuel economy. I don't know what it is on this car. 3. You can buy a lot of things. You can buy a lot of cars. Cars that are better than this Porsche. A lot better than this 996. But there are things you can't buy. You can't buy love. You can't buy mad, frightening exhilaration that this thing provides. You can't buy those things. Those are the things you identify with. Those are the things you find once you cross the threshold of fear. And that's what makes this Porsche so exciting. This razor edge of grip and performance. This almost luring effect of the suspension and the all-wheel drive system that tells you, come on, a little bit further. But there's death on the other side. That excitement, that parade of wicked emotion is what keeps us coming back. And that's what automotive industry is all about. And that's why I love this car.